So we've travelled down to London today. Couple of days down here at Internorm's head office. Purpose of the visit is to get more up to speed with some of the new high-tech innovations that Internorm's got with regards to internal blinds, biometric entrance systems, RAFA technology, which is sun shading, and Thomas Hagan, who is the technical manager for the UK, conducts these training things on a kind of monthly or biannual basis. And myself and Steph like to come down, make sure that we're up to speed with the latest products that are coming out, the latest innovations, and more importantly, how to actually configure your product once it's installed in the hole. Because some of this is not about the physical installation of the product, it's about the programming and the technology that goes into the product that makes it do all these fancy things that we upsell and promote to you guys all the time on Instagram and Facebook. So come with us and we'll give you a quick tour around the showroom. They've got a great facility down here. As you can imagine, with it being the head office in London, there's a lot of pretty much all the up-to-date products are on display here. Thomas Hagan, the man himself. Tommy is the technical manager for the UK. So we've just finished the first training session down here in the purpose-built training centre, where we look at some of the technical details and presentations of the wiring diagrams and all of the latest innovations that are kicking about. If you come through this way, they've got a cracking showroom here, which has a good mixture of product from the PVC aluminium clad and timber aluminium clad systems, as well as all the additional optional extras and features as well. So things like glass balustrades, integrated solar shading. Through this way, we have the large format sliding doors, this being the KS430. This one works with a fingerprint scanner, so by simply scanning your finger on the door will open. I'll nip around the other side and give you a demo. So door opens completely automatically, hands-free. Great feature regarding this KS430 is, as well as having the standard flush track threshold, you've also got inbuilt fly screens. So these are pleated fly screens. We're actually going to have one of these on display in our new showroom, which is in the process of getting built just now at the cowshed. They've also got a wide range of the PVC range, and not all showrooms show this. So everything from the flush finish PVC units, which are completely flush on the inside, to the more common windows like the KF410 with all the inbuilt safety features and child restrictors on them as well. One of the products which not a lot of showrooms have at the moment is the new KF510 window system, which is up here. And this is the product which has the ability to have a printed internal finish. This one's actually been done in a mock concrete finish on the inside, but as well as having the mock concrete finish, you can also replicate almost any colour you want, be it black, red, purple, green, blue. This will open the market up to a wide range of finishes on the inside of the windows, be it people who want to have timber but just don't have the budget to go for something like an oak or an ash or a walnut, can now print the oak, ash or walnut finish on the inside of the surface, which is, I think it's going to be a bit of a game changer, specifically in the UK market. Massive sliding door. This one here is probably encroaching on the maximum size, 10 to 12 metres, bi-parting HS330. With RAFA blinds and sun shading, which is, again, a lot of showrooms don't have this, simply because it is quite an expensive addition. But with this one here, you can lower the RAFA blinds on the outside, and this will allow you to shade the opening. So not only does it give an element of protection, you can adjust the shading as much or as little as you want to direct the sunlight further into the building. So when you have dark nights, maybe like, February, where it's starting to get a bit, darker at night earlier, by having this shading with the specially designed slats, it'll direct the sunlight in, so you get more light for longer. But then obviously when it's very hot and you have low or high level sunlight, you can block out the sun completely. So it's a really, really, really nice feature. Again, something that we will be integrating into the showroom. And when they're up, in the up position, they're concealed, so they're hidden. This would be hidden within your wall structure. So it's a great, great feature. Not every day you see a door as big as this in showrooms in and around the UK. Couple of new innovations which have been brought to the market that we've been learning about specifically over the past day to 2 days while we've been doing the training, is the integration of more commercial features. So as we said, we do a lot of work in the domestic market, which is generally selling to the end consumer, or house builders or self-builders. But we also supply this product to the commercial marketplace, be it schools, businesses, large commercial flatted developments. So two innovations which we've been introduced to that we think are up there with problems that we've encountered in the past where we've had to go to third-party companies, is this one here. So this is the integration of a Duco-style grille on the front of the window. So when it comes to passive house developments, the great thing about this is that when the window is in the open position, if I squeeze around here, you can now have the window open in the purge position at night to ventilate the building, but the building is still completely secure. In the past, we've had to buy these in from third-party companies, and it's always been a bit of a problem. Trying to get the perfect fit, trying to get the correct fixings. This system here utilises the frame of the window in order to attach this. So it eliminates another supplier out, it eliminates another supply chain, and you know what you're ordering is going to fit perfectly. The other innovation, which has just been released or is actually in development at the moment, but will be brought to market very soon, is the addition of a more traditional balcony system. So as you've seen on some of the videos that we've done in the past, Internorm offer an integrated glass balustrade. It's actually on the window a couple of positions down. This now allows us to put on a slightly more traditional aluminium grille, still utilising the same fixing points as the traditional glass system, or the existing glass system, but this is going to allow for a much more traditional look. Can be powder coated the same colour as the window, or you can have it in a different colour if you wanted. Personally speaking, whilst I really do like the look of the glass system, on a more traditional build, I think something like this is going to be a bit of a game changer. Again, it just means that we can eliminate a third-party supplier from the supply chain. Everything you buy is going to be an Internorm component. It's going to come from us at Glassworks. We're going to specify it. We know it's going to fit. You don't need anyone else to come and fit it. It's bolted to the window before it goes into the aperture. I just think it's a really clean, really smart, tidy solution to a problem that's out there on the market at the moment. Lastly, some cracking innovations with regards to entrance doors, specifically the new biometric fingerprint system. This is the D-Line system, which has just been released. We have done quite a lot with biometrics over the years. The way the biometric system used to work was you took your finger, you swiped it down the sensor, and what could happen is with the oils and things that are on your finger, it could clog it up and it could prevent it working. The great thing with this system now is that by simply touching your finger on the scanner, so literally touching it, it recognises the fingerprint instantly and you can open the door. As well as that, we've integrated more features, so now this system here is completely controllable through the internet and on the app. So in effect, no matter where you are in the world, as long as your house has got Wi-Fi, you can control your door from wherever it is. So you can open it remotely, you can close it remotely, you can set time periods where the door is active. It's exactly the same price as the old fingerprint scanner, but as with all these things, technology evolves, things move on, and they've now brought this into the Internorm entrance door range. So very, very quickly, that's been a very, very quick rundown of what we've been learning about over the past couple of days. Some of the new innovations, some of the new door styles which have just been released as well. It's been a great day, a great couple of days, strong learning curve. But yeah, we'll keep you up to date with all the innovations that come about, and no doubt you'll read about it on the website or see more videos about it in the future. Cheers.